Has their hand on this.
Yeah.
We'll hold the M80 in the fucking sling.
No.
And just light it and then launch. It'll already be stretched so we don't have to wait. So just light it and launch.
Yeah.
That'll work, right?
I just hope it doesn't get caught in the pocket. If it does, then...
Yeah, if it gets caught in the pocket...
There's no pocket.
No, when you pull it back, there's a pocket.
If it falls on our fucking...
Look, when you pull it back, look. Pinch the M80.
We're being morons and just...
Here, I'll record.
Metal, here.
Or you go ahead and record, because I already have enough for you guys. Here, let me see it.
How do you like Rocky Point, Benjamin?
It's pretty cool.
How was that strip club last night?
Pretty good.
Gay.
Dud.
Fuck.
Here.
Stupid fucking beaners, dude. I swear to God.
Here goes Ben.
Watch him turn and throw it at you.
Here. Here, let me try one. Record me. Here, it's already recording.
Oh shit.
Record me, do a few. Let me do a few.
Dude, I have so much video of everybody else doing shit.
Here, let me see that cigarette. See if they lay more.
We spent the night up here. Oh. Camped out.
Up here?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Summertime. Nobody bothered you.
That'd be cool. Does the guys race up this thing all night though, or not?
Sometimes.
We raced at 4 o'clock in the morning last night.
Yeah.
Billy, was that it?
What are we doing?
Oh, I'm dying on a damn cell phone.
Light one of the big ones. Like, no, the M1000s.
Let's go to JJ's or something.
No, the big boom. Yeah, we did. We had 3 of them in the bag last night. Yeah. Yeah. Hold up. What? You guys are the stupidest motherfuckers alive. So you guys are the stupidest motherfuckers alive shooting that at me.